Hello friends, this is Basawa Technologies Limited, an AIDC barcode equipment and software service provider. We have a different types of barcoding equipment and barcoding solution. Equipments are barcode printer, barcode scanners, portable data terminals, receipt billing printers, consumables, and software solutions are Basawa Retail Smart, BasawaCom Inventory Smart, Basawa Asset Smart, Basawa Barcode Labeler, and many different types of customized software solution as the order given by our clients. Hello friends, I am giving a demo of BasawaCom Inventory Smart. It is an advanced inventory management system consisting of raw material and finished goods inventory. This software is basically designed for manufacturers, distributor and stockists. Okay. To start the software, just click on this BasawaCom Inventory icon. Click on this. Now you have to supply a valid username and password. I'm entering username and press login button. Now a Basawa Form Inventory software opens. There are various menus available: masters, transactions, reports, tools, label designing, windows, about it. First of all, you have to create your masters, means your customers, the vendors, supplier, department, how many department in your company, general accounts, groups, location, manufacturer, products. So first of all, I am click on this customer. Here is the customer form. You can enter a new customer and edit as well as your previous one. Suppose I am clicking on this particular customer name, Toronto. You can enter the name of the customer and billing address, city, state, field like this, and then press save. In the same manner, you can define your vendor. I'm showing anyone. Suppose this is your BS Industries. You write here. You already entered the name, address, city, place, and TIN number or GST number or other details, and press save. Your data is saved. Click on this department, how many departments you have, like this. This data is for manufacturing company, like so. Department are cutting, dispatch, filing, grinding, store, tool room, etc. Next is the definition of raw materials. I am clicking on this. This is the form of how we define raw materials. Click on edit button. I am clicking on anyone. This is HS drill. Its group 8 consumable material, manufactures nothing, and the size is 1/2 inches and unit pieces, and there is no opening balance here. I can write, I can type here opening balance if there is a previous balance exists. Okay. In the same manner, you can define your products. Click on this product button, this form opens. This is the finished goods product definition. 10 MMD handle, product name and group is FG, finished goods. Size 32 and unit pieces. Here, opening balance 832 from the previous accounting year and value is this. That's now from this form you can define your finished goods. Next is the transition part. There are options: sales order, production planning, transition, purchase order, goods receipt note, purchase return, sale return, goods issue note, financial parts, and that's it. So I'm Starting from the purchase order, suppose you are going to buy a raw material. In that case, you have to enter purchase order. Click on this purchase order RM. This form opens. I am showing a one record. This record. I entered the vendor name and the department and order reference number and type of product. Here the detail is showing 200 kgs raw material of copper pipe. And at the end, GST, how much GST is there, and press save. As soon as you press data saved, do you want to print view? Just click on this button. Your purchase order. This is your purchase order. Now you can generate your purchase order and then print. Next, when you are going to receive raw material, just click on this goods received note button, GRN raw material. This form opens. I'm showing you one example. This GRN on 9/20 date, I received from Shanta Trading Services. These are the item I received. Total quantity in pieces or kgs or total value. Once I entered GRN, now I can see the inventory of my raw material. Click on this raw material inventory. Now here is your total raw material inventory. You can search inventory on material name, group wise. You can search on a particular group, measurement, GSM, manufacturers or particular manufacturers or location wise. On which location, how much is lying. Suppose I click on first floor, then it's no search on particular item. Click on this. It's showing this 950. 950 is the pieces lying in your raw material store. Okay. Next part, I am going to issue raw material to the production division. So I use this goods issue note, issue raw material and non-material issue. I'm showing one example once again. I issued these two items to buffing department, 9 pieces of this, 2 pieces of juice, so total item 11 and valuation of this. Okay. And if I press save button, it is saved. As soon as I complete the issue, your inventory is automatically deducted from your raw material inventory. Next, when your finished goods is returned from production division, then once again you have to click on this goods receipt note, but second one is GRN finished goods. Click on this. One example. This showing that on a particular date from production house I received this copper pipe finished goods and entered into my system and the save it. And once again I want to see the FG stock lying in our FG store. This is the status. Once again I can filter on particular item name wise or group wise or particular size or local location wise. If I click on this how much electrical there is copper pipes, the raw material groups, this FG. I click on this free fruits name, it's showing there's 189 items, pieces is lying in your FG store. There are various kinds of reports you can generate, master reports, challan, challan printing, invoice printing, list of items supplied by a supplier vendor, list of supplier vendor for a particular item, transaction register, goods received, not registered, issue registers, pending purchase order status. You can have use the order status. Suppose you click on this and press show button. Now this pending purchase order report is showing, in which all your purchase orders coming and the date of order, to whom it is ordered, and the details of the raw materials, ordered item, ordered value, and receiving, if it is received, and the balance value, balance quantity and balance value. You can view the reports of goods received not, GR and raw materials on a particular number wise. Suppose I click on these two numbers and press show button. Now this goods received register is showing that GRN number, date, from vendor name, and the raw material details, invoice, and against which PO it is received, and the quantity. This is the details of your GRN register. You can have a stock ledger of any item. So if I select any item like this, we'll check on this and press show. This stock status report is showing. You can have stock status at any point of time if you want to check the inventory. Uh, there are many other reports: stock summary, monthly, yearly, stock summary, raw material, monthly, yearly, stock summary, raw material complete. If I press on this raw material complete and press show button, now this report is showing group wise total summary. Means what was the opening quantity of a particular year. Suppose about my financial year is 2020 and 21. Opening balance, quantity received, quantity issued, balance quantity, and the rate, the valuation of the stock. This is a stock summary of raw material. In the same manner, you can generate stock summary of finished goods also, and you can have the party, customer ledger, stock ledger, vendor ledger, purchase order printing. You want to see the previous ordered purchase order, then click on particular and then press show button. Your order will be shown. Okay. You can have the customer ledger, details of the customer. For example, this customer ID2 printed sticker, the name of the customer. You have received items and then issuing it and the balances of each. Okay. You can have the customer master list. You can have department list. You can have challan report from this to this particular, from this challan number to this challan number. So this is the your challan number. So I have shown you details of the BasawaCom inventory. You have various types of reports in the software, and two types of inventory: raw material and finished goods. Thanks for watching Basawa barcoding solution. If you have any query regarding this BasawaCom inventory software, please send your query at basawa.usa@basawa.com. Thank you very much.